ezweni ngokusemthethweni mawukuthi basezweni benza izinto ezilungile.
Thank you.
But le eyenzeka la eSouth Africa akuyona ngempela.
Udaba olukhulunywa kakhulu kulezi insuku udaba alithinta abantu abangenela kulezo lase-South Africa ngokungekho semthethweni labe sithi ama-illegal immigrants noma singababiza ukuthi ama-undocumented Africans ngokusho ka-former President uThabo Mbeki. Baningi abantu ababeka imibono ehlukene kodwa kunento ebuhlungu engifisa ukuyiveza namuhla. Thina njengabantu abamnyama sinenkinga yokusaba abelungu. Ngibonile kulamaviki adlule uCIC uJulius Malema uveze na indlela abona ngayo makuza kulolu daba. Abantu abamnyama bamhlasela kodwa ugogo uZili ukhulumile akaze basho lutho abantu abamnyama. Angazi mina noma yoyini esho umlungu siyahambisana nayo la. Ngicela uzwe la.
Would you support a tougher stance, right, or that includes mass deportation? And I want just a quick answer on that, given what's happening.
People, if they want to be in South Africa, must be here legally.
Yes.
If they're here legally, the DA protects their rights.
Yeah.
And we don't believe in attacking people because they come from other places but have the right to be here through legal processes. If people are not here legally, they must either go through the process and be legalized.
Yeah.
And sometimes the process is the problem because it is slow and cumbersome. But Leon Schreiber is fixing that.
So in Joburg, what are you going to do? Let's get to the Joburg part. Your mayor is the 5th of November, and March says these people must go now.
Look, I will first of all show you Schedule 4 and 5 of the Constitution. We have no control over international migration at local level.
Yeah.
But if March wants to say people must go now, then I will say there are processes. Let's go through the processes. Just like I've said to you about finding people guilty. Let's go through the processes. But please don't create a space wherein violence can flourish.
Ugogo uZili abantu mabengene la eSouth Africa ngokusemthethweni iDA izowalwela amalungelo wabo. Kodwa uma bengene ngokungekho semthethweni iDA izobalekelela ukuthi babe documented labo bantu labo. Ukhuluma kanje ugogo uZili uminister ophethe omafezo weDA. Kodwa abantu abamnyama angikaze ngezwe bemhlasela ugogo uZili. Kodwa bamhlaselile uCIC, bayihlasela iEFF. Ngifuna ukuyibeka lento niyabe saba belunga ngazi mina ngoba kwenze njani. Bengithi angidlule nje kulolu daba ngoba ilona daba okukhulunywa kakhulu ngalo kulezi insuku. Isilo uMisuzulu kaZwelithini indlela mithi yamakhosi. Angazi bekunomcimbi wani weyoga ubemenyiwe naye. Wayeselithinta lolu daba. Kodwa yena kunxuse kakhulu kubantu base South Africa ukuthi kungabi bikho dlame. Into angayifisi nje ukuyibona yenzeka ukuchitheka kwegazi. Kanti ngisho uJacinta usho njalo wathi bona abafuni bazoba ne-peaceful march ngoba kuwo wonke ama-marches akaba khona akaze kwathiwa nodlame. Ngiyalithanda kodwa iphuzu lisho ubaba uzwakele emncwango elithi labantu laba kungani kufanele makufuneka baphume kube neprocess okudlulwa kuyo ngoba isigebengu masingene kwakho ngefastera kufuneka usikhiphe ngefastera. Akushiyo ukuthi sesihlala sibeke kahle endlini bese uyasondla. Mina ngiyaxakeka ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani la ngoba ngokubuka kwami ngibuka sengathi kukhona ubugebengu obemukelekile ngoba ukuba la eSouth Africa ngokekho semthethweni it's a crime kodwa ngathi leyo crime yemukelekile uma ugogo uZili ekhuluma kanje. Kodwa ke ngiyazi ukuthi ngeke sisho lutho ngogogo uZili ngoba ungumlungu. Asidlulele phambili.
Sangisazwana. Asifuni violence, asifuna abantu bathatha umthetho ezandleni zabo. Nge-30 zakaJuni mawuse country yethu ungekho umthethweni. Dedele. But asifuni ukuthi abantu bajijimiswe, asifuni ukuthi abantu bashawe, bayekeleni abantu bomthetho sizoyilungisa sazwana. Ngomzila uthiyami sisonke ongawari kule ndaba.
Yeah, this is Panyaza Lesotho in English. He simply say, as a premier of Gauteng in South Africa, is saying those who came in South Africa illegally on the 30th of June, they must simply pack whatever they've got and go back to their countries to fix their passports. Simple as that.
Ngihlosa ukufaka ivideo yesilo uMisuzulu kaZwelithini kodwa kwavele kwangena le video lekaPanyaza kodwa isakhuluma into eyodwa. Ikhuluma nje into eyodwa ukuthi akufuneki udlame kodwa nje laba abazaziyo ukuthi bala ngongekho semthethweni abahambe baye emazweni abo bayolungisa amaphepha bese bebuya ngesango ngoba into ebalulekile ukuthi babuye ngokusemthethweni la eSouth Africa. Futhi kodwa fanele simbonge uhulumeni waseMalawi noma kwenzeka into abekangayihlelanga uma ethi abantu baseMalawi ababuye ekhaya laba abavolontiyayo bagcina abantu sebebalelwa ko-10,000 abakuvelayo nje ukuthi impela abafuna ukubuyela ekhaya bagcina sebebalelwa ko-10,000 baqale bebancane kodwa manje bandile. Ngizwe kuthiwa-ke noShepherd Bushiri ukhipha amabhasi ukuze alekelele abantu laba abafuna ukubuyela ekhaya. Kuyinto enhle kakhulu ngoba kuyakhombisa inkinga ebikhona eSouth Africa ukuthi abantu abaningi kangaka bangaba la ngokungekho semthethweni. Kunento engizwe ngoMinister uLamula engizwe ibalulekile ngiyafisa na ukuyifaka kule video.
I think we need to have a platform where a lot of South Africans are able to visit on tourism to most parts of the continent. Because sometimes we take it for granted what we have in this country, the access to education, the access to healthcare, the number of things, but also I believe we can learn a lot in terms of running small businesses, entrepreneurship, just by visiting some of the parts of the continent where you see the drive, and that can further help us to exchange knowledge and views.
Sure, Minister Lamula la ethi uyafisa sengathi abantu baSouth Africa bangaba expose baphume baye kulamazwe yingoba bonke abantu beza la kunesizathu and mabefika la bafike bonke bavula amabhizinisi and ngaso sikhathi abantu baseSouth Africa bazithele ngabandayo. Ikhona into ekhona ngeSouth Africa kodwa ngeke siyazi ngoba sihleli la uma sizulazula khona la ngaphakathi abase KZN uma isuke KZN weze eGoli noma waye ePitori uzophinda buyele eKZN uma rotate KZN kuphela kukancane nje uthola umuntu wase KZN kuthiwa uya koLimpopo uya ko Northwest phandle makuthiwa nje somsebenzi kodwa ngizwe kuyiphuze elibalulekile ukuze sizoyiqonda lento attract abantu ba-attractele eSouth Africa. Ukhuluma nge-access to education, ukhuluma nge-access to healthcare. UMinister Aaron Motsoaledi, Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi wakwakhuluma ngokuthi izithi Mthweni Motsoaledi angenza ngephutha. Wakwakhuluma ngokuthi yena wafika kulamazwe kwafuneka akhokhele yonke into ukungena kwakhe nje esibhedlela kulamazwe kuyakhokhwa. So iSouth Africa kukhona into ehluke ngayo yiyo le attract abantu yenza ukuthi bagcine sebegcwelela kuleli izwe lakithi. Ngizwe ibalekile njazi abantu baSouth Africa sengathi singalithola ithuba sibe nayo imali sihambe sibuke kwamanye amazwe sizokwazi ukubona ukuthi yini le eyenzeke eSouth Africa yini futhi esingayifunda kwamanye amazwe kungani bona mabefika benza amabhizinisi abe successful ngoba funa sikhulume nalezo zinto lezo. Angicaphunekisile uMisuzulu kaZwelithini indlela mithi yamakhosi emveni lapho bese ngiyayivala ivideo.
Our structures have been activated, net joins, prof joins, not only now. We have been monitoring this situation and ensuring that we police all the marches successfully and ensuring that we maintain law and order. We do have plans. You will note that yesterday the Minister of Police issued a statement confirming that we have met with him, with all the provincial commissioners, to give assurance that indeed plans are in place to ensure that we maintain law and order. What we will call for It's for if there are marches, for peaceful marches. If the law is broken, we will be there in our numbers to ensure that we enforce the law. So we call for calm, we call for peaceful marches, we call for adherence to the laws of this country. So plans are in place, we are satisfied, we have given that report to our ministry.
National Commissioner lo, Lieutenant General Puleng Dimpane uyasazisa ukuthi sebemi ngomumo balindele umhla ka-30. Yonke into masebeyihlelile. Abanankinga bona ne-peaceful march kodwa yonke into bayemonitor, yonke into bayihlelile. Ngiyafisa futhi abantu base South Africa sengathi bangangayithatha kancane lento eshula ngoba iphuthe elincane nje kungenzeka lifake lama leaders enkingeni. Iphuthe elincane lingenzeka futhi ligcina likwenza ukuthi uboshwe. Kanti nje uma ngabe unenhloso yokumasha, mashani kahle peacefully. Kungabi bikho udlame oluzoba khona. Akukaze wezwa kuthiwa uhulumeni wase South Africa uziphi ithuba lokuthi enze sure ukuthi yonke into is in place ukuze abantu base South Africa banga-affectwa i-crime. Awukaze wezwa. Kodwa ngoba udaba lithinta izithandwa zabo, ngoba udaba lithintwa labantu abavikelekile, abavikelwe yibo abangafuni baphazamiseke. Yingakho ke bekhuluma kanje. Awukazi, not even a single day whether to abona yonke into in place yenzelwa sure ukuthi abantu base South Africa babe safe. Hayi angeke kuze kwenzeke. Angeke kuze kwenzeke. Kodwa ngoba kufuneka kuvikeleke abantu abangama foreigners, kwenziwa sure government wethu kunjalo. Abantu base South Africa babalekile kakhulu kuye. Yingakho kwenzeka kanje. Ngithebe ngizofaka isilo kodwa inkinga yami iyodwa. Ngifuna ukuthi mangifaka isilo ngaphinde ngingabe ngisafaka ivideo emveni kwaso. Yingakho lobubona sengathi ngithi ngizodedela isilo bese ngena umuntu. Ngoba ngithi ngiyabheka la ngidibane nevideo engibona ukuthi ibalekile ukuthi beyingxenye yale video.
Inga ye migration abantu umuntu uhleze ecinga impilo engcono. Ukuphi la ngathola khona amadlela ahlaza ukuthi umndeni wami uphile bakwethu. Ngizonicela maZulu sizwe selembe lingachitheki igazi, ningabashayi laba bantu. Bazisho ukuhlupheka la. Njengoba nathi sihluphekela isathi nami ngiyahluphekela nawe uhluphekile ngizakuthini ke mina ngoba sisukuthi izohlupheka so yingakho sikule nkinga esikuyo namhlanje. Kodwa akusho ukuthi bese sibashaya. Ngakhuluma mina nophakela umthakathi. Nongizwe. Akuzukushawa umuntu. Akekho umuntu ufuna ukuzwa ubuhlungu. Angazi noma kumele ngikhulume ngayo le yoga le esihlangane angazi ulimi le yoga likhulunywa kanjani. Futhi umuntu angifuna uphakamisa umlenze wenze njani. It's an international language angithi. Asebenzise yona le yoga le because it represents peace and us. Bantu bakwaZulu senikhohle ukuthi siphuma plus siphuma khona thina. Izolo lokho nikhohliswa ukuduza ufaka steak sweet uvela udaka ubunandi. Umbuso uyadakala. Seniyabusa manje. Sinifaka ezikhundleni sinivotele lapha ukuthi niyodla imali. Asiyifuni yonke lento eyenzakala kuleli lizwe. Asiyithandi. Asiyipromote. Angizile kodwa ukukhuluma lezo zinto lo kodwa ngicela ukukhuluma ulimi lweyoga ngesizulu notolika ngesiyoga nina. Ngicela niphathe kahle. Akho umuntu othe uzoniphucisa inkwaseni emlonyeni. Angithi ngingabala. Manje ngabalapha ubani ozonithinta. Ngani ngasho nje ngathi asinayo indawo thina singabeka khona amaNigeria. Asinayo ngisho inkambu. Ngisho ihlathi ukhomba ukuthi awungibeka eduze kwaleli yahlathi cha leli yahlathi Narensing, are you listening to me? Leli yahlathi silibeke ethi lime lodwa alakhelwa. Ilokho ke nangimphathi wami seyangishaya kanti isibishi sami besisidanyana ngithe ukukhuluma kodwa ngicela ukuba ngikhulume ngoba ngezinto ezenzakalayo futhi okwesibili ongarejistanga izolo kuyovota engakhali izinto mase ihamba ngo left hawu akusahambi ngendlela yami mina awuyanga nje ukuyovota ukuthi ufaka ilento yakho thulayo umuntu ongavoti mina ngokwami ngimthatha ukuthi akangeni ukuthi izwe libuswa kanjani ngoba unqabile ukuyovota ngithi ngathi hambani uregister ukuvota nina ukuze kuzwakala uvulo izikhalo zakho uyebeka lapha nofa ilula le nifaka nje isiphambano phumhamba yini inkinga cha nabesilo ngenxa yesikhathi. You know, Ishwa, you told me to stop by 11. Now it's going for 12. I think Premier Dube took most of my time.
Ngobuzwa ke isilo sisho ukuthi sikhulumile nongizwe nophakela umthakathi ukuthi akungabi bikho udlame. Yingakho ke mhlambe nabo beshilo ukuthi cha akuzukushawa umuntu. Imashi yabo abazenza bona izobe peaceful. Mhlambi ngoba isilo bese sikhulumile nabo kodwa okunye okuvezwa isilo ukuthi umuntu ongarejistanga for ukuvota angakhali ngalutho ya ngeke ngasho futhi ngathi mina vele kusinabo abantu la abenelisekile lesimo esenzeka la esikhala ngaso thina bona abanankinga naso babona ukuthi bangavoti ngakho ke labo vele yilabo abangama beneficiaries we-ANC wonke umuntu kule 2 days ebekuthiwa akuregister ngayo ukuvota noma abantu ababheka ukuthi ba-registered na abangazange bakwenze lokho vele bangama beneficiaries ngoba vele bona ngeke baparticipate ekuvoteni. So yonke lento eyenziwa yi-ANC nalabo abasiphethe bayayijabulela asinankinga ke nabo bayazi bayasazi isizathu phela abantu uma bebenefit abafuni kuphazamiseka siyakuqonda lokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.